Hey, it's Ryan here at Tech for Music. Take a look what we've got brand new here in the showroom. It's the Equinox Event Booth. There it is behind me in the box. Let's set it up. So here it is, the Equinox Event Booth. As you can see, I've set it up, no problems at all. First time I set it up, didn't read the instructions, just kind of got on with it, and it was very self-explanatory. Not too many bits and bobs to make you sort of think, where does this go, where does that go? It was really easy to set up. So it's perfect for weddings, corporate events and parties. Of course, it's got that it's all in white, but anywhere you really need a nice, clean, smart look, it's perfect really. On the front you've got a mesh panel which of course allows for some nice backlighting or uplighting. It's got cable cutouts on the main shelf, you can see that just here, so perfect for your cable management, and it's also got little cutouts as well on the adjustable shelves, as you can see there. Speaking of the shelves as well, as I said, they are fully height adjustable, tilt adjustable, you can rotate them as well. So these are really ideal for a lot of things. We've just, for demonstration purposes, put a laptop on one and an Equinox Asteroid on the other one. They're ideal for lots of things. You might want to put a little lighting controller on there. You might want to put a little PA mixer on there. Obviously ideal for lots of other lighting effects as well, little moving heads perhaps. The way they just go back into the little inserts, I suppose you'd call them here, is really handy. There's not much constructing to do when you need to pull them out. It's literally just a case of there's a little locking pin underneath and a little hand tight and that extra bit of security to stop them from falling. And it's as easy as pulling that out, pulling it up, and then lock that pin in place. Easy as that. The whole system weighs 34 kilos altogether. It is quite heavy, to be fair, but it comes with 2 carry bags, so it makes it very manageable when transporting. As you can see, for demo purposes, we've got DJ MA9 in the middle, 2 CDJ 3000s. I'm sure a lot of you may know that's quite a wide setup, and it just about fits on here nicely. So if you've got a smaller controller, you'll have plenty of room, and maybe a little bit of room for something else as well, maybe like a little radio microphone receiver or whatever it is you have in your setup. There's some of the main features of this new Equinox Event Booth. At the time of uploading this video, we've got an Equinox Event Booth on demo in our showroom. May I add, the UK's largest sound and lighting showroom, and we've of course got lots of other things on demo as well, so do come and see us, see it for yourself in person. If you've got any questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can email us, sales@techformusic.co.uk. You can call us on 01604 641 100. Once again, the Equinox Event Booth, available to order now.